2, 3.
Started too fast, now you can't slow down. The runaway girl in a hurricane town, singing a song that you never really knew, and I need you to come back home. Serving drinks in New Orleans, you made a few friends and then you headed east to Seaside, where the time flies and everybody seems to have the time of their life. I hope you're happy. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. No matter where you go, I'll be waiting right back home. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. Last I heard, you went to Savannah, like all the pretty girls do, roaming the streets with a drink in